Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Wizard's World. I'm Josh, and so today we're gonna just do some router configurations. We're still working towards our Kentik connection from a virtual IPv6 based lab up into Kentik. I've really been working hard on this, and it has not been very easy. I finally think I've been progressing enough that maybe we can actually finish doing what we set out to do. So for this video though, I've started this lab over and I've replicated some of the changes that I made in an earlier version of this lab. And I have a long way to go with this. And what I've done though, and I want to keep this short, is that I've configured three of these routers. I've configured the Dallas, the Los Angeles, and the Denver router. And what I'm going to do is configure the Kansas City router. So I'm going I'm going to do this from Ubuntu. So let's see how this goes. Oh no, I can't do it from Ubuntu yet because it's completely unconfigured. So I have to do the basic configuration first. So let's work on that. So first we need to look at the BOF. So the address is wrong. So let's start. Let's configure the host name. Configure system name Kansas City. Now we need to configure the BOF. So let's do the address 192.168.143/24. Static route 0000. We're going to put a default route in. Next hop 172.168.254. And we're going to persist on block persistence. And we're going to exit out of that. We're going to configure system security SSH preserve. We want to preserve our SSH key so we don't have to delete the key every time. Configure system security user wizard password wizards world. Oh, contains the user. That's okay. We can leave the default password. We need to give it its access group. So FTP, console, netconf, gRPC. And then we need to put it in administrative group. And we need to configure the public keys, ECDSA, ECDSA key 1 create, key value. Let's see. This is clipboard history, so it's really handy. You hit Windows V, and you can, have multiple clipboards going basically. And it doesn't want to work here. This will work better somewhere else. I'm going to leave that like that for now. Let's see if we can actually. Okay, I'm getting lost in my screen. Let's see if we can actually save this. The problem with working in these consoles, the Guacamole console in Eve Next Generation, is that sometimes the clipboard doesn't work very well and it makes everything kind of a pain in the butt. So let's see, ping router management. Okay, so now we don't have to work here anymore. So we can move out to Ubuntu, admin at 172.164.t.143. One of my old versions thinks this fingerprint is wrong, so the newer versions of Ubuntu just give you the command. It's a lot easier than going in and editing your known host file. So just pull the command, edit it. Now up, and we're gonna connect back to Kansas City. And so now we can finish configure our user. Security, oops, security user wizard. Public key, ECDSA, ECDSA, key 1, key value. Now we're going to go back to our clipboard history. I'm going to click here, and hopefully the key is there. And we're going to save it, log out. We're going to test it. And we log right in. So that was a success. So let's come back over to Eve. Where we go? Here we go. It's because I got it like this. We don't need this screen anymore. And let's see. So I don't have the IP. I have the IP here. Oh, that's the wrong IP, I think. Yeah, that's the wrong IP. So you can see it goes from port 1. Port 1 goes to LA. So let's log into LA and look at that. Show router interface. Oh yeah, we have some more work to do on this thing. I don't even think I configured the cards yet. So let's come to Kansas City. Show card. Card is unprovisioned. Card 1, card type IOMV. Configure card 1, card type. Oh, nope. MDA1, MDA type M20-V. Show card, up. Show MDA, up. Save those. Then now we have ports. So show port. There's our ports. We need port 111 and 112. 111, no shut. Configure port 112, no shut. They're both pre-configured as trunk ports, as network ports. Okay, so our ports are turned on. Configure router interface to LA. That's going to be on port 111. 111. Address. So let's see what the address should be. Okay, I didn't configure it on the LA side either. So 1, 2, 3, 4. I configured this one, and this one. So we're up to the third, or the fourth. No, I configured these two. And I need these two. So hold on a second. All right, so let's try this. It looks like I haven't configured this on either one. So I'm going to start from LA going down. So I think configure router interface to Kansas City. Port 111. Address 10.1.1.8. Think about that. 10.1.8/30. Maybe. Nope. 9/30. Okay. No shut. Admin save. So that means this should be 10.1.1.10/30. No shut. Admin save. Being 10.1.1.9. That's up. Okay, so then we just need one more. Kansas City to Denver. Back. Interface to Denver. So 10, 11, 12. Oh, 10.1.1.1.2. I come to Denver, bigger than better, to Kansas City for 192. Address 10.1.1.14/30. Is that right? Yeah. And 10.1.1.13. Okay, guys, that's all I'm going to do for right now. That gets basically the ports up. Um, don't want to have this video stretch on too long. Kansas City can now get to LA, and it can now get to Denver. I need to correct this label right here. I'm going to build the labels in. Um, let's go ahead and correct that label before we go. Edit style. Let's see what these labels are going to look like. 10.1.1. Oh boy. Let's see what that looks like. Show router interface to Kansas City. So 9 and 10. Dot 8/30. I think that's right. Maybe not. Let's look. Yeah, 8/30. Save. So we just changed that label there. That's all I'm going to do for right now, guys. Thanks a lot. In the subsequent videos, I have to bring up routing protocols. I have to bring up um, ways to create traffic, and I have to start exporting flows and SNMP polling here with Kentik. I have a Kentik proxy server, proxy agent up and running on the internal network, and it's able to reach the Kentik cloud. So I got to send all the important data into the Kentik proxy, and that's the goal going forward. So thanks for watching Wizard's World, and have a good one. Bye.